Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you all the details of the new Nissan ARIYA, first all-electric crossover from Nissan with impressive design and some impressive numbers and specs. So first of all, three versions are available. This is the version with a smaller battery and the front-wheel drive. You can also go for the all-wheel drive version with bigger battery. So the all-wheel drive is always with the bigger one, but you can also get the front-wheel drive with the bigger battery. And yeah, well, as I said, very impressive design. Look at the front with this shield that has this Japanese inspired elements and the signature. Daytime running LEDs are very slim and they are integrated into this shield itself. Main units are here. And overall, the appearance on the road, very dynamic and a real eye-catcher on the road. Everyone is turning their heads and looking at it. Moving on to the side, so the model in our video has got the 19-inch wheels, very aerodynamic, 235/55 R19, that's the dimension of the tires, gloss black wheel arches and gloss black side skirts. Let me show you the view from this angle. Look at this, so sporty, and also huge amount of room since this car is made on the all-new CMF EV platform. That means we have long wheelbase, short overhangs, and huge amount of room inside. Let me move on to the rear. So there we go, unlock it, and this is the key, by the way, with the new Nissan badge. Connected lights to give it a unique appearance on the road. Nissan lettering in here and the ARIYA lettering. Very clean design of the bumper itself, gloss black finish. And yeah, well, this is the exterior design. Let me show you the charging port. DC charging up to, okay, I need to unlock it. DC charging up to 130 and AC 22 kilowatts, which is really good. And more technical details will be in the description. But now let's check out the trunk space. I believe you can do this. There we go. Nice square shape. And once again, the trunk space depends on the version that you get, so all the details, exact liters, will be in the description. And underneath this you have additional room, so you have like a double floor. Press this to close it, and we are now ready to explore the interior. Let me just show you once again the dynamic indicators. How cool is this? All right, then onto the interior. And this is really impressive because, as I said, because of the new platform, they were able to make this interior so spacious, and they also integrated this very modern ambient, and you see completely flat bottom. One interesting fact, they moved the motors of the AC towards the front. That way, look at this, all flat bottom and lovely Alcantara and leather. The door pocket is divided into those sections here, and the classic switches for the mirrors and for the windows, lumbar support for the seats. And yeah, now without further ado, let's see it from driver's perspective. All right, then, this is it. Let's turn it on and you immediately go into your position. So yeah, beautiful ambience here, really. I mean, this is something else. Alcantara, dual screens, 12.3-inch ones, haptic feedback on this, and you control the temperature on those in here. Let me change the view and show you more details. Okay, then, 12.3-inch screen, touchscreen for the infotainment system. Hazard lights are here. You also have the button here for changing of the tracks, and also the button for the volume. Air vents are well hidden here, almost look like a design piece and not the air vent itself. Once again, the haptic feedback, this comes to life when you turn on the car, so very clean design. And look at this, very cool feature. If I press this, how cool is that? You can also put it like this or close it fully. Now speaking about the adjustments, look at the central console. We can move it, and that way not only do you adjust how much space you have here, but you can also adjust where you want the gear selector to be, so depending on your preferences. Additional room is here, USB port, USB-C port, 12-volt power supply, and yeah, overall, I mean, 10 out of 10 for practicality, that's for sure. Some storage area, cup holders, wireless charger for the phone, and we also have the spec list here. So the model in our video, as I said, the smaller battery, 63 kWh, Evolve pack, and these are the specs. So 160 kilowatts, 300 Newton meters of torque, 7.5 seconds to reach 100, and top speed is 160 kilometers per hour. And yeah, you see now the AC charging 22 kilowatts, and DC is 130. So yeah, some technical details. You can pause the video here to see all the details. And the bigger battery would be the 88 kilowatt hours. And now, well, we can check out the digital cockpit and the infotainment system, but I'm just gonna quickly show you because we really don't have much time. So yeah, you see a bunch of stuff available in here. You can also configure the widgets yourself depending on what you like. The navigation is really cool. You have the nice graphics, very responsive, and the 3D shape of the buildings. So let me just find, okay, let's find some buildings. Okay, I think here, yeah, so you see, there we go, really cool. Anyway, let us move on. Off to the digital cockpit. Here is where you control the views. You can have the classic view, more classic view, and also the minimalistic view, let's call it like that, with the navigation in here. And range for this model, a bit over 400 kilometers by WLTP standard, I think around 403. And as you can see, very accurate, because 91% we still have 382. You can change the information that you see here in front of you. And yeah, well, that's pretty much it. I also want to show you the drive mode selector, which is here, Sport, Standard, and Eco. And you can also turn on the e-pedal in this by pressing the e-pedal. Electronic parking brake is hidden down there. And ambient lights are very cool. They are here and also at the bottom, but of course we would need more dark for that. But stay tuned, when this car hits the market I will film the night point of view drive as well. Sun visors, let's see this, yeah, convenient feature for your sunglasses. And panoramic roof on this one, and you can slide it all the way. So now it's time to check out the rear bench. Let's do it. Great angle of opening for the doors, and just by looking at it you can see that there is huge amount of room. I mean, just look at this, 1.87 m, and yeah, still huge amount of room left, completely flat, heated seats, and USB-C as well as the standard USB, air vents, storage area. What else do we have? Let's see the armrest. So there we go, with the cup holders, view on the front, view through the panoramic roof. And now the headspace, still some room left. Very clever design of this roof line. And yeah, well, I mean, just look at this. I'm on meter 87 and I can be here comfortable for hours and hours of road trip time. Oh, and another thing that I need to show you, there's an option of the digital rear view camera. Okay guys, and that was it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Point of View Drive is coming, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.